Hey, how's it going? Back with another unboxing. Right now, what I have for you is the VRig TP-08 Extendable Selfie Stick Tripod. It's for GoPro cameras. I have a cell phone mount that attaches to a GoPro mount as well. Um, I like it. It's really heavy duty. It's a lot more robust than I thought it would be. Folds out into a tripod. It kind of locks down in place, and then it extends. It's about 10 1/4 inches when it's not extended in selfie stick mode, and it's just over 20 inches when it's fully extended. I intend to use this when I'm out gold panning. I try to use the body mount, just the chest rig for the GoPro style cameras, and it just shakes too much. I'd like to get a better view of the gold pan with something I could take with me. Plus, you can use it for a selfie stick for more dynamic shots. It's great for group photos. We've noticed. I actually just keep it in the car, and that way it's always accessible. Like I said, I have a cell phone mount for it as well. It's pretty robust. It doesn't swivel. That would be my only complaint. Other than that, it's really surprisingly robust. The build quality is exceptional for the price. I've had it for a few weeks, and I use it all the time. A lot of the footage hasn't made it up. I only have so much time to edit, but I really like it. I'll put a link down in the description if you'd like to help out the channel. It really helps me get things like this to give you higher quality content. Anyway, that's the VRig TP-08 GoPro extension tripod. Thanks for watching.